For generations, the descendants of the enslaved among the Five Civilized Tribes have faced a difficult reality. Their families were recorded, but not always in ways that preserved their true connections. Names changed, ownership changed, records were scattered across different tribes, different households, and different enrollment systems. A single family line could appear divided across Chickasaw, Choctaw, Creek, Cherokee, or Seminole records, making it nearly impossible to trace relationships with certainty. Brothers and sisters could be listed under different surnames. Parents and children could be separated across field and roll numbers. Entire family groups could be hidden in plain sight, but never recognized as one. What appears disconnected was never truly separate. The problem has never been the absence of records. The problem has been the inability to see how those records connect. This is where the HARP GEN Investigator comes in. The Historical Ancestral Reconstruction Project Investigator is an AI-powered genealogical system designed to identify connections that traditional research methods often miss. It doesn't rely on surnames alone. It analyzes field numbers, family groupings, parental relationships, and cross-owner connections to reconstruct family lines across generations. Where records appear divided, it reveals structure. Where identities seem lost, it restores continuity. This is not guesswork. This is evidence-based genealogical reconstruction. If your ancestors were recorded, there's a path to finding them. The HARP GEN Investigator is now available. You can begin your search at the Bang website, start your investigation, and uncover the connections that history left behind.